Hello children, Rija ma'am here. In the last class, we have done the chapter on the coconut tree. Today we will do the exercises. Before that, we will do a quick revision. So in the chapter, as we have learned, a baby and his mother went to the park. They were sitting on the grass and they were playing with bubbles. They were very happy together. Now, open to page number 6. You can see question A. Tick the correct options to answer these questions. So question number 1 is, where are mum and baby? Where are mum and baby? You will have to tick the correct option. Option A is in the park. Option B in the room. Option C in the mall. Option D in the car. So what will be the right answer? They were in the park. Now, question number 2. What is mum doing? What is mum doing? Option A, playing in the park. Option B, playing with bubbles. Option C, playing with toys. Option D, playing in the pool. So, the correct option is playing with bubbles. Option B is the correct option. Now, question number 3. Why does baby say ha ha ha? Why does baby say ha ha ha? Option A, mum blows lots of bubbles. Option B, she does not want to blow. Option C, mum goes away. Option D, dad comes. So what will be the answer? Mum blows lots of bubbles. So question number 1, where are mum and baby? They are in the park. Question number 2, what is mum doing? Answer is B, playing with bubbles. Question 3, why does baby say ha ha ha? Because mum blows lots of bubbles. Option A. Now we will do question B. Write T for true or F for false statement. Question number 1. Baby is enjoying with bubbles. Baby is enjoying with bubbles. It is true. Question number 1 is true. The baby is enjoying with bubbles. Now, question number 2. Baby makes an O with his lips to blow the bubbles. Baby makes an O with his lips to blow the bubbles. This is true or false? This is true. Baby makes an O with his lips to blow the bubbles. Now, question number 3. Mum and baby are sitting on the grass. Mum and baby are sitting on the grass. This is true or false? This is true. Mum and baby are sitting on the grass. Now question number 4. Mum does not put the bubble stick near baby's mouth. Mum does not put the bubble stick near baby's mouth. This is true or false? This is false. This is false. Now, question number C. Write about what you like doing in the park. So, this will be your homework. You will do it as your homework. Now we will learn some vocabulary. Before that, we will know about some special letters. They are vowels. Some special letters are there known as vowels. What are they? A, E, I, O, U. These are special letters also known as vowels. And how many vowels are there? There are 5 vowels. So, we can make new words with vowels. So, we will learn some new words with the vowels. So, first one is A. With A, we can write apple. A, P, P, L, E. Apple. Next is E. E for elephant. With the vowel E, we can make the word elephant. E, L, E, P, H, A, N, T. Elephant. Next is igloo. With the vowel I, we can make the word igloo. I, G, L, O, O. Igloo. Next, with the vowel O, we can make the word octopus. O, C, T, O, P, U, S. Octopus. With the vowel U, we can make the word umbrella. U, M, B, R, E, L, L, A. Umbrella. So, from the vowel A, E, I, O, U, we can make words. So, today we have done the exercise. I have given you homework. You will do it as your homework in your copy. And also we have learned some new words from the vowels. So this is our end for today. In the next class, we will continue with the exercises and we will learn new things. Before that, if you have any doubt, let me know. Do write in the comment section. Thank you.